Well, here comes my garbage truck. So it's 6:30 in the morning. I just put mine out and the temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Celsius. And this is the day after our little storm last night. Wasn't too bad. Notice that there's no tracks. Not one raccoon come out last night. So the weather, the coldness, and the snow would drive them into their dens. And they're all huddled up nice and warm, and they get full bellies. They get enough food in them to do them all winter. So that's the whole idea of making them fat, people. The ones that live in the southern states, like I explained before, they got to be fat in order to survive the winter. Because if it stays like this, they won't eat for 3 or 4 months. Anyway, and I shoveled off the deck just in case it warms up and they do come up. So anyway, look at my clothesline. Yeah. And I have a snowblower there in the barn. It's all ready to go. And I also have one for the deck. It's a small hand one. It's called electric snow shovel. Fool bought it for me last Christmas. And it really does a nice job of keeping the deck clear. Anyway, that's all there is to that. So you notice there's no car in my yard. It's still in the garage, and there's a holiday on Monday because it's Remembrance Day here in Canada, November 11th. So there'll be no stores open. So the car won't probably be looked at until Tuesday or Wednesday. I guess the parts didn't come in yesterday for it, or they would have had it done. So I'm kind of homebound for a while, but Ron's coming to pick me up. He's going to take me in town, and we're going to get some groceries. And there's Connor. And I'll tell you, it's chilly out. And I got my Boston Bruin warm hat on, and the Boston Bruins jacket. So anyway, I had to get up 5:30 this morning to, I only had about 4 hours sleep, but I'll go back to bed later on today and have a snooze. What do you want? I fed you. I fed you. Yes, I did. Oh, get in there. Get in the house. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Nice and warm in here. There's Charlotte. 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 So, any of you fellas don't know what a snow shovel is, I'll give you an idea. I shoved it under the stairs down here. I gotta turn this light on too. There we go. Look at this flying down. See, they don't want to miss anything, see? Yeah. I stuffed it under the stairs here. And we'll just drag it out again. There we go. I might as well leave it out. And that's a snow shovel. And you just plug it in. Yeah, that's what it is, Connor. So you just plug it in and you just push it back and forth like that. It makes quite a racket. This little lever here, this when you pull this out, I can't do it with one hand. but it gives you whatever direction you want to. That's the tines there. It gives you whatever direction you want to put snow in, but I just leave it blowing straight. But anyway, it works good, and we had a hard time finding one. I'm just going to shove it in the music room here for now. There, just shove it in here. Out of the way. And that's my keyboards. I got 3 of them. You probably see me playing them. My big amp, and then I got the light system too. There. Those lights go with when the music's playing. They flash whatever the beat music is. Anyway, that's a snow shovel. So, hello Connor. Oh, he's in the litter box. We're not going to show that. This is my little rec room here. I have just a little spare bed, and I lay down here and I watch TV down here sometimes. And I have my computer here. I have a laptop upstairs, and then I also have a notebook that I use. So, there. That's cat trees. So that's what it looks like out front here. Look at the trees. They're sure full of snow. That's my 60-inch screen. I got that from work when I retired from Sobeys head office. I won that at the Christmas party, a 60-inch high definition. Connor? Connor? There's Charlotte. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I just fed you. I just fed you. I gotta do the dishes. Alright people, no raccoons. Sorry about that, but when it warms up they'll be back out. We're usually stuck with them most of the winter. Anyway, signing off for now.